There are two functions in DAX that lets you work with the Unicode representation of a string. They are Unicode and Unichar. Unicode accepts a string as its only argument and returns the Unicode number that represents the first character of the string. Unichar, on the other hand, accepts a number that needs to be the Unicode representation of a character and returns that character. Let's see that with a couple of examples. Here I'm just using the Unicode of a long hyphen, and the Unicode of this character is 9473, which is returned by Unicode. If you use Unichar of 9473, you obtain just the character. You typically use these functions to create, for example, histograms, like I'm doing here. I'm computing by product color the sales amount divided by quite a large number, and then repeat the long hyphen for a given number of times, which is the representation of the number. And the result is a string that you can use as a simple representation of an histogram.